Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that I've been thinking this week is, we had the news about Microsoft wanting to push Copilot in Windows 11, which will be an AI assistant. And for some reason, what came to mind? Cortana. And one of the things that I thought about is why create something new when you got something that could use it and be there to use it, which is Cortana. Cortana is kind of based on some form of AI, basically, and it actually could easily have been integrated. They could have said, "Hey, you know, we want to use Cortana now for its AI capability and chat and all the info you needed." Isn't that what Cortana did and wanted to be used for when Windows 10 arrived? It's kind of interesting. And I guess they want to move away from Cortana. It's kind of weird to kind of think that we would have a Copilot AI and Cortana in the same machine. Isn't it like having two assistants? Definitely bizarre. And I think it really has to do with the fact that Cortana is something they don't want to take care of anymore. And that they want to move away from that, and they want to use the Bing AI and the chat AI stuff that is moving along quite fast. So this is one of the things that just came to mind as soon as I saw Copilot. It's like, what? This is Cortana's replacement in a more powerful way. I don't know. It of course Cortana has features that I don't see in Copilot, which is launching apps and things like that. But still, I wonder. Cortana could have been perfect to be upgraded with AI capability. And instead, but they want to make sure that AI is the focus. And this build was actually very bizarre in some ways, kind of showing us that at some point Microsoft seems to be lost. The build conference many years ago was cool to watch, was fun to watch, was Windows focused mostly. And this time around, build was lost like Microsoft seems to be lost everywhere in what it's doing. And I think there are people out there that need to be fired or moved to another place, and we need fresh new people that have vision of what the future will hold. But it's obvious, and the users we see it. We see how Microsoft seems to be completely lost in whatever it wants to do. So hopefully this is gonna be fixed at some point someday. But right now, not only is Windows going in a weird direction, but also even the different presentations and the different things they do seem to be lost, and things are shuffled at the last minute for some reason. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.